Hello, I'm in a 2012 GMC Acadia, and today I'm going to show you how to fold up and down all your seats. So these seats here, we can pull this lever and that'll help it fold forward for you. When you do that, it'll also loosen this so it'll fold easier. And then for these rear seats, you just use this. So if you're going from the trunk, you can pull it back up with this strap, or you can just lift up if you're from this side. Once you have it all the way back, it locks back in place. And that little lever there I just showed, you just pull that lever and then this whole thing will fold down just like it was in the beginning. Same process with this side. And then for this seat here, it's the same process as well that we just did with this seat, which again, we can just lift it back up. And again, yeah, you can just use this to fold it forward too. And then if you need to slide it forward or back, you just pull this. And then typically with two hands, you can just pull this forward and back. And then when you release this lever, it'll lock in place. Same process for that seat. And then for these front two seats, head up here. As long as you got some power in your vehicle, this should work. But this, you push forward and the whole seat slides forward. When you push it back, the seat slides back. And then this controls the backrest. So we push this, makes it fold backwards. And then pushing it forward makes it fold forward. And then this just adjusts just the middle support. But these are the main two that you'll typically worry about. And then we'll go to the passenger side so I can show you that's similar as well. And the passenger side here, it's got these same electronic controls. So this forward or back for your backrest, and then this slides the whole seat forward or back. And if you're in a different model, there might also be like a metal bar here that you lift up, and then that'll slide the seat forward or back, and when you release that bar, it'll lock in place. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.